Well, look what, this is what Eli did on the toilet. Geez, Stuart, your son is dirty.
Destroy it now.
He's going to destroy it now.
What a wuss. Look, I knew this. He couldn't lift the hammer.
Go for it.
Wait, it's the wrong side.
Oh my goodness. She like pressed it
I
all.
can't believe you didn't.
It, like, destroyed a little bit of the...
Oh.
You're going on the hard part. That might bounce back on you. Be careful. Yeah, come and hit the side of it. Watch what happens.
Oh.
Except don't break my car.
Yeah. Oh, starting to make a break.
Is that hard?
Oh, there it goes.
Hey, you broke my toilet.
He's stuck in the toilet seat.
Now sit on it.
Oh,
Sit on it.
Keep it there.
Oh, jeez. Gay. You're gay.
Put your foot on it. Pull it out.
Yeah. What do you kind of... Who has a toilet in their backyard anyway?
Then he's going to chop it from the side.
You can use the sledgehammer side. It's probably the better side. And come down on it, yeah. I'd hit the tank.
Yeah, go for the tank. There
Look,
you go.
he's thinking about it. How should I approach it? Jeez, you're horrible, mean to my stuff.
The toilet's ruined. I don't think I can use it.
Go for it.
ready?
Oh, I have sepia. How'd that happen?
I split it in half.
He has a toothpick. It's inside a toilet.
Ooh,
Disgusting.
that's where all the poop goes.
That's kind of gross. There's a spider in there.
I want to see if I can fry it with broth. Hey,
Now you can see how the valve works if you want. Or the flush valve.
See, it just goes up and out.
and find the poop.
It's called Find the Poop.
Ooh, the rim cut looks kind of disgusting.
That part I didn't wash. Touch it and lick it.
I want to hit the
Go ahead.
lid off.
We don't have a lid. That's the one part we're missing. That's
Yeah, the lid's missing.
No, the purple thing.
Yeah.
Oh, go for it.
I did it.
I did it. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like this so your mom can take a picture.
I was gonna say, Eli was playing on the toilet.
Explosive diarrhea.
Jeez. I can't believe you're torching the valve.
I won't die.
I've got beautiful porcelain right next to you and you hit the valve, the rubber
Like,
thing.
oh yeah, that's exciting.
Jeez.
Kind of crushed a little.
Yeah, you crushed it.
Tell me when you're ready for me to stop.
I'm ready for the next piece of porcelain.
Hit a big, with those big pieces and small pieces.
Make them tiny.
What?
Make them in about 3-inch
This
chunks.
size I could throw away.
Okay.
Mm.
At least the tank isn't dirty. Base is
Oh, that's a
Go
good one.
that way.
Yeah, that's a nice one. No, hit it again.
We need one more spot.
Ew.
What did you see?
Bugs.
There you go.
Mmm, yeah.
That's a good size.
We can put it in our gully, actually.
Do you really want the gully?
See, they're nice size pieces. Jeez. Can't believe how you torture it.
Eli's going to be sorting the toilet seat that won't break. Designed to hold up under infants.
Poor spider.
Keep going. Mmm.
That one pulverized it.
Mmm. Mmm.
I'm so excited there's no
Mmm. Mmm.